Hello, guys. Hi, everybody. Hope you all are doing great. You're doing fine. Um, it's been quite a busy time for me, and I hope I didn't keep a lot of you waiting for my videos. But I'm trying. I'm trying to get to put out videos all the time. It's just that yeah, I'm really, really quite busy. So, but today we are going to be looking at something great. This is kind of an all-time winning strategy, and I'm not just going to be showing you this particular strategy. There are very important things that I'm going to be telling you in here that has really kind of changed my trading career into something else. I've been saying it, and I'll still continue to say it, and I hope it kind of sink into your mind. You know, So what the first thing is that to be successful in the trading market, you need to keep a 1,000 pip range. What I mean by a 1,000 pip range, I wrote up here a 1,000 pip range. That is the distance between your entry to your to your margin call. Let's say if you take a trade like here, right? If the trade like you take a sell from here, right? If this sell have to go against you, it needs to go like way up, your margin level should be able to take you like right up here. Let's say up to about how can I say right up here before you are being stopped out from the market. If you are keeping a 1,000 pip range, this is how far the market needs to go for you to get stopped out, right? Let's say you have $100 in your account, and you are maintaining a 1,000 pip range, which means that you are trading 0.01, that's 10 cents, and you jump into this trade here. The market can go up, down, you won't get stopped out. For the market to stop you out with that $100, that's for the market to completely take your $100, then the market needs to go against you, like way against you, even like right up here, even right up to this point. This is the point where the market is going to knock you out, right? Let's just mark it out. Let's say this is the point. So you see the distance between here and here is really wide. It's really wide. And from our calculations, from our trading strategy, this market has come here. This is the main trend direction, right? The blue one. The pink is the midway, right? The pink is the midway, right? Midway of this main one. Therefore, it comes down, midway, it retraces, and then continue to the main direction. And in this main, in this midway direction, you have another midway here, which we have now jumped in. So you see, the market can't go even beyond this point, but we are keeping this 1,000 pip range, this gap between from here right up to here, right? This 1,000 pip range gap is our strength in the market. So I can tell you with all certainty that in 100% certainty that this trade will be a winning trade, like it or not, this trade will be a winning trade. And we are expecting the market to go right down till you see the next blue arrow. It will go right down beyond this one. It will go right down until you see the next blue arrow, maybe somewhere here, right? Which will give us about 600 pips. Yes, you didn't hear it wrongly. I said it, 600 pips. If you are battling with 10 pips, 15 pips in the market, well, some people enjoy that, being in front of their screen every day, all the time, battling with 10 pips. Yeah, but I tell you, trading on the higher time frame is very rewarding because you move alongside with the big banks, right? Move alongside with the big guys in the market, those who move the market. They know that the market is going to move from here right down here. Those who are in the 15-minute time frame, they just struggle at times. You see, they will struggle to take the market, or the market just goes against you. You know? So, but if you are trading alongside with the big with the bigger time frames, you stand a better chance to enjoy a lot in the market. All right. So, but beside that, let me go back to the 1,000 pip range stuff. So, you keep the 1,000 pip range, brothers and sisters. This is your, how can I say, is the gateway to your success in the forex market. It is the gateway to your success. By the time you start to respect what I'm telling you, you will start to see consistent profit in the market. Yes, you will see somebody trading with like telling you, okay, I made $1,000, but I made $1,000 today in the market, or maybe they will show their account how maybe they are making about $600. Let me tell you, they have enormous amount of money in their account. So making that $600 or making that $100 is nothing compared to what they're having in their account, except that maybe they are over leveraging. And let me tell you, those who over leverage their account, they trade too high with a small account. They trade too high. They won't last long. They will make that money one time, the second time, or maybe the third time or the fourth time, they will lose all the money that they have made. So that is just how it is. So guys, I'm going to go through. First, I want us to come to terms with maintaining the 1,000 pip range. Is so important. Please maintain the 1,000 pip range. It is the key to your survival in the market. I don't know how else I'm going to be saying it, but I'm still going to be ringing it in your mind such that it will never leave your memory. Maintain the 1,000 pip range no matter what. Your volume size is what keeps you in the market. Maintain the 1,000 pip range, your volume size. If you have a good volume size, you will be able to stay in the market and you will make money, right? Okay, that's it. Let's go now to the strategy which I want to show you. Um, what you see here is all over my chart. That is what I use. What you see here, on my previous videos, I think I've explained this to you, but I'll go over it again one more time. I wouldn't want to say that 100% winning strategy, but I'm tempted to say that because using this strategy with the 1,000 pip range, you don't lose in the market. Yes, it may take some time for you to go into profit, but you will not lose in the market. I haven't lost a trade. Yeah, it may sound crazy to you, like, what is this guy saying? People lose in the market. Yes, but with this strategy, you kind of chopped out all those. That's you take only the most quality trade in the market. How can I say it again? The perfect trades in the market. That is what you are looking at. So all the little crumbs and stuff like you don't look at all that until when the trade is absolutely good, you know, it's at its best. All the confluences are working in your direction. Then you are going to enjoy, you know, to always win in the market. Yeah, it sounds almost impossible, but yes, it is. And I'm telling you right now, it is. Okay. Um, what you see here is the 800 EMA, the 200 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 20 EMA, all mixed together in this cloud, right? In this cloud. Sorry, in this cloud. This is the color field MA indicator. It helps you to fill out, to draw all this cloud. It helps you to fill out all this. It's very beautiful because just drawing those moving averages here. It may sound, in fact, it looks disturbing to the eyes, but when you put this color film, right, it sounds so uniform. In fact, it looks so uniform and so easy to see your trade, right? It looks so easy to see your trade. So the first one is this color film. And then the next indicator that is here is the MBFX snatcher, right? This is the MBFX snatcher, the yellow one. And the and the MBFX trend direction. Like I earlier said, this blue trend direction, the arrow, is the main direction, right? You see the market move from here to here to down here. And we know from here, we are looking for the next blue one, which is going to be somewhere here, right? That's, you automatically start to see the market and in fact in the right way, and you can easily tell what the market is going to do, because that's what trading is all about, knowing what the market is going to do and then put your trades in accordance to that direction that you believe that the market is going to go to, and the market goes into your favor and you make the money. So we know that the market will move from this blue to the next blue, the next blue. We are hoping, not hoping, we know that the next blue will be somewhere here. So this pink is the midway. It goes here, come here. This is the midway. Here we are going to have the first retracement here, because we want the market to like emerge away from this cloud, right? So we see that the market is like completely going up. Okay, so this is the first retracement here. I'm sure the second retracement will take place here, bounce again here, and then now it will now break out of this cloud somewhere here, right? And then we'll now ride it up now to the next blue. That will give us about 100 and something pips, right? So we know exactly what is going to happen in the market. I'm going to start from the beginning. I'll show you some couple of trades that I am looking at already. So you see the first one here, blue here, came right down. See, this is the midway here, midway, right? Midway. Therefore, the market come down, take a break, take a rest. Everybody needs to rest. Even the market needs to rest, okay? Came here, take a rest, like breathe out, and then continue its journey. It's like just somebody going for a journey. You reach somewhere, take a break, take a snack somewhere, then you go back into the car and then continue your journey. So that's what the market does all the time. It comes here. This was just a small break here, and see the MBFX snatcher actually shows you everything. So if you want to trade, like it came here, if you want to trade this little break here, you will jump in here after the market goes up, come and break out of this cloud. Let's just see how it's going to look like. You jump in here, right? And ride it all through here. Boom. That's how much? 700 pips. 700 pips. Yeah, 700 pips. Okay. So, and the market is going to do that. The market is going to do that. If you know what you are doing in the market, guys, you are going to make the money. Okay. So here we come midway, and you could jump in here after all this, right? It breaks through the cloud, therefore it has passed through the 800 EMA, it passes through the 200. The 800 is the 200 moving average of the higher time frame. In this case, because we are on the daily time frame, this 800 will be the 200 of the weekly time frame. So if you put the weekly time frame, the 200 will be here. So we are actually in a real typical downtrend, right? And the 200 will be the 200 of the daily. The 50 is the 200 moving average of the 4 hour. And we have the 20, which is just something a little bit lower, okay? So it tells you that from the weekly, daily, 4 hour, and even about 1 hour, this market has gone down. This market is on a downward movement. So all of those things confirmed together will tell you that you need to go down, okay? And you just take a sell and you can ride it to the end. This wavy line you see here is the center of gravity. it tells you, the potential of the market, where it's just like a river flowing. The river is flowing up. Later on, it starts to flow down. It just meanders, from left to right. And here, these yellow bars you see here is the channel. Multi-channel indicator. It moves from one end of the channel. That's how the market moves. One end of the channel to the next end of the channel. That's just how the market moves. So you see, I have a lot of things going on here that makes me, whenever I'm taking a trade, I take the trade with, in fact, with all confidence. Yeah, I will tell you that it may sound ridiculous, but I have never lost in a single trade that I've taken from using this my setup. Yeah, it sounds ridiculous, but I'm because usually when you look on a different trade on a different trading videos, someone will tell you, okay, yeah, you can lose about 20% or 30%, and maybe you win for like 60% or 70% of your trades. Yes, it's true. That's when you always want to be in the market. But if you are waiting for the perfect trades, even if you have just one trade in a week, I mean a single trade in a week, which is good, from which you make your money, take that single trade and forget about the rest. Take that single trade, follow your money management, your 1,000 pip range, and forget about the rest. You will make more money than somebody going through. Imagine, let's say, somebody takes about 10 trades. He wins 6 trades and lose in 4 trades. In those 6 trades that he or she won, he made about maybe $50. And in the 4 trade that he loses let's say about $40. So he won $50, but he loses $40. At the end of the day, he's going back home with $10, right? He's going back home with $10. Now, if you took a single trade, which is the right trade that goes into your direction, you will make more than the $10, and you will be making more profit in the market than somebody taking those multiple trades, losing and winning, losing and winning, losing and winning. That's not really, in fact, we can't even put those two persons on a scale, because one is pretty really good, and one is just like gambling. Yeah, yeah, one is just gambling. So we want to move out of that system of gambling where you just take trades, and some percentage are going to win and some are going to lose. We want to move out of that. We want to move out of that. We want to go into that point where we can absolutely take a trade and know that this trade is going into the money, and the trade actually gives us the money. I believe that's where every trader is heading to have that system, to have that trading method that will really give you like what you really want. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you here. If you don't understand what I'm doing here, get in touch with me. I'm going to like help you out to create such a thing on your platform, and we can work together. I can give you all my trades. Okay, we can work together. We can trade together, right? And you can see I'm on a daily time frame, so you don't need to bother. You can trade any time of the day, and just come back and watch your trade. That's all. Go about and do what you and do whatever thing you are interested in doing, and just see your money compounding in your account. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let us go through this. So this is the first one. I'm already in this trade on another account. I'm already in this trade on another account, not this account. So let's just see. So here we have the market is flowing, went down, it's now like kind of pumping up, in relation to this center of gravity. It's really telling you the market is like is It's now swinging up again. Now, this is the blue here. It's the midway blue, right? Midway, the market when it's now going down to take a little rest. And we know what is going to happen. We are waiting for the next blue somewhere up here. Somewhere here. Believe you me, it's going to happen. It is not it is not something that I am doubting. So it goes here midway. You will see the next midway arrow here, another pink, and then he will now break. If it doesn't end up with the midway arrow, it will continue down here, and you wouldn't bother about jumping into the market, because you only have to go in if the market completely went back here and break through this cloud and start going up here. Then you know that the midway is complete and it has broken through this cloud of MAs and it's going to your target, right? So that's it. I'll show you some couple of them here. Here we have, you can see, it's a kind of a head and shoulder. You can see that this is the head, two shoulders here. But we are waiting for it to break through this cloud, right? Let me just zoom in. Waiting for it to break through this cloud here. Then we will be able to take the trade, right? Up here, okay? Or maybe you can give a second. But listen, if you take the trade here, right? It breaks out here, you jump in here on this line. Let us look at something. Okay, we are here, you jump in here after it breaks through this, all this moving average, it breaks through. You're here, you take a buy, right? Take a buy. Okay, and the market, like when here, I want to come to rebound again a little, it rebounds here, right? If you are having, let's say, $100, right? If the market comes and rebounds here, downward on the opposite direction, you will be losing $4. $4 to $100 is nothing. $4 to $100 is nothing. You'll be able to stay in the market because your margin level will be so high. Will be so high. You just need to wait until the market now starts to go back into your direction and gives you money. So you see all those things put together, your trading account, your lot size, your technique, everything put together will make you that perfect trader that you really want to be. And there is one thing I will tell you at the end of this video, which is so important that you shouldn't miss it. Just stay tuned till the end of this video. So you see, this is a channel. The channel is already telling you that this market is going up. Market is in an uptrend, right? Market is in an uptrend. Even though there was a break here, the market is still bouncing and it is still like kind of still going up. You can see the river flowing. It's just about to turn. So you can just catch it here and ride on. Okay. So here too, midway, right? This is the main direction, it's going up. Midway, so we know that the market is going to go right up to somewhere here. Okay. So we are now waiting for this to break through here and it will reach right up to this point. Okay. All right. So here we come here. Bounces the first time, second time, then a break here will take us through. It's so clean. It's so clean. It's so good. So we came here. This is a midway. This is the first midway. You know, we are waiting for the second midway, maybe somewhere here. So this is going to bounce here. It's almost close to a breakout here, right? Out of this cloud, right? So if you break out of the cloud, it's going down. That'll be about 40 something pips. So this is even for lower time frame. I really at times don't look at the lower time frame because I like catching the big fish. Yeah, I like catching the big fish. But using this, you can trade on any time frame and you will make a lot of money. You have very little or no losses at all. Yes. On no losses at all. I'm telling you, if you follow what I'm telling you, every trade you take, you are going to be a winner in that trade. Every trade you take, you are going to be a winner. And that's what I've been looking for years. I've been in the market for almost close to about, in fact, close to about 6 years today, right? 6 years. I've been trading, going close and closer to perfection. And let me tell you, after going through all the so many techniques and so many stuff, drawing all the everything that you can ever imagine. In fact, we have done them all in the market. Putting some crazy things on our chart, going naked and coming back. You know, everything. We, I later on realized that the simplest way to trade the market is to make it simple. And if it is too simple, some people might feel, oh, it's so simple. Do you think it's really true? No, when something is too simple, um, people don't tend to like kind of really do appreciate it, because people believe that there is this belief that, oh, it has to be difficult. It has to be difficult. It must be something. Let me tell you, your trading gurus and your trading leader, what he uses to trade is as simple as ABC. Yeah, he might give you some crazy mumbo jumbo stuff online, or maybe show you some mumbo jumbo stuff. But let me tell you, what he is looking at is so simple. Yeah, it's so simple. Yeah, at times you see maybe all the fancy stuff, but in reality, what they do on their analysis behind the scene is so simple. Yeah. When you have gotten to a point where you make a constant profit in the market, you don't need to stay on the chart for so long, right? You just see the winning trades and you take it. And if you don't see it, you just leave it and you go away. All right. So let me just rush through. You see what's going to happen here. This man can bounce back here. We trace this here. Boom. We take it down here. For those who are into trading there 15 minutes or 1 hour, it's perfect. You are going to make the money. There is no way the market will come here. Let me just show you what's going to happen. If the market comes here, boom, and you have the next the next indication here, this next yellow square shows here, next yellow circle shows there. The market comes here, it breaks through this cloud, right? Breaks through this cloud here, boom. This is where you jump in. This is where you jump in at this point. So at this point now here, you ride the market all the way down. Right? That's for those who are interested in the trading on the lower time frame and getting 20, 40 pips. Yeah, but so that's not really my thing. But I can do so. You can see, you can really let me show you what I am looking at. Right, this is one of my trader I'm looking forward to. Yeah, I am in this trade already on the daily GBP, on my GBP card here on the daily. This is going to take about, let's say, but the whole of this month of uh July, right? Right. I think so. If not, then maybe 2 weeks, because 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks for the market to go right to this point. It just depends. At times the market can just rush down here 2 days. The market can go right down, because the confluence are really high, and this is the perfect direction. So the market can just like rush down here within 2 3 days, or within a week you can find it right down here. It just depends. You see what happens here, right? So few days, 3 4 days, it just swing and go to its perfect area. So that's it. So I'm looking at this. See, this is the main direction here, right? Okay, the main direction here. This is midway, right? Midway, pink, midway, which is telling us that the next blue. So because this blue has to move from here to down here, right? It has to go a little bit beyond this, right? So from here, so we are expecting something like to be at this level, right? At this level. So this market immediately it breaks out here, right? Immediately it breaks out here, it breaks out of this cloud. Remember, this is a midway, right? And here it has even formed another midway here, midway of this midway. So immediately it breaks here. We will be taking it with a 1,000 pip range in mind, right? So if it breaks out here and it goes maybe to retest this area again, right? That is if you are having $100, right, and the market goes right up here, you will be in a $57 negative, in about $57 negative, which is almost half of the money you will be having in your account, right? But no panic, no panic, because for this market to knock you out, right, this market needs to go twice that distance. The market needs to go like right up here for it to be able to knock you out, right? It needs to go like right up here for it to be able to knock you out. And this market immediately it breaks out here. It's not going even right up to this point. It's not, right? It's not. So from here, we will ride this market down right up to the next blue. And let me tell you, if we hold that market right up to the next blue, it may take months, 2 months, maybe, or 3 months, maybe, because a single candle here will be a week, 3, 4 months, right? But I tell you, at the end of the day, we are going to be having 3,200 and something pips. 3,200 and something pips. So this brings me now to the last aspect I want to tell you about the market. What I promised you around the middle of this video that I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. For you to be really successful, in the market, treat the market like an investment. Imagine you put your money in the bank, right? Imagine you put your money in the bank, and banks nowadays, they'll give you at most 2% a year, okay? 2%. Increase your money, your deposit, by about 2% in a year. That 2% is nothing. It's nothing when it comes to the forex market, right? So why are you looking for so much profit in the forex market? The banks offer 2%. Do you know if you are having $100 and you jump in here and you ride the market right down here, let's just say in a year, you hold this trade for the whole year and you make from that 100, how much are you going to you will make 300. Therefore, therefore within a year, you will make 300%. The banks give you 1%. But here in the forex market, you will make 300%. It's fantastic. Why do you want to over leverage your account? Why will you have $100 and you want to trade $1? Trade 10 cents, brother. Trade 10 cents. You will still make so much money that the banks will never be able to give you. The banks will never be able to give you. And why are you so much in a haste to jump into a trade and then jump out of the trade? If you consider the trade, the forex market, like if you treat it like an investment or like a deposit, you deposit your account, you deposit your money here, your $100 here, and you put 10 cents in this trade. Consider it all as a deposit. Come and check it at the end of the year. Just come and check it at the end of the year. At the end of the year, the market has given you $300, including your deposit, which is now $400, including your deposit, which is $400. So you see, holding a trade in a year is just a matter of mindset. If you are treating your market like something which you just jump in and jump out, jump in and jump out, Yeah, you will make some money in the market, but let me tell you, those who really enjoy proceeds from the forex market, they treat it like an investment. Someone will tell you, okay, come to stock, trade stocks, you know, options is even just the worst. I wouldn't advise anybody. For me, in my own personal opinion, okay, some people make a lot of money from option, but I tell you, option is not my thing because I really look at all this like an investment. You know, when you invest your money and at the end of the year, you want to see how much that money gave you at the end of the year. Okay. And if you do this, you'll be so much relaxed. You can go about doing your thing, do whatever thing. The whole of that year, you are fine. Just relax and do everything you want to do with your life and just forget about it. At the end of the year, you come in and you have made $400 from $100 input. Is that not fantastic? It's really fantastic. It's really fantastic. So treat the market like an investment. Respect the market, and the market will respect you and will give you the money that you have been looking for. Right. So if you need more of this knowledge, if you really grasp the concept that I am trying to throw out, then subscribe to my channel, get in touch with me, we'll work together. This the forex market trading is all about it has a lot to do with the mindset. The psychology is so important, right? Psychology is so important. When you are trading with the right mindset, like as I tell you, treat the market like an investment. Holding a trade for a week is nothing. You will start to realize that holding a trade for a month is nothing because you are treating the market like an investment and you will make a lot of profit when you start to look at the market with the right mindset. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave you. There's a lot of stuff I wish I can impact on a single video, but really I can't. We need to keep the video short and precise. Okay, so I'll be pouring in more content. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And please like and subscribe to this channel and comment. Let me have your comment on the video, and I'll be grateful to hear from you. And it will be my pleasure to help you out if you need my help. All right, take good care of yourself. Stay safe. Catch you guys. I'm out. Peace.